Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama Boo's Kitchen. Today, as I promised you guys, we are going to make one of the most loved delicacy dish. We call it Menoto in my country, chicken feet. So what I'm going to do, I'll be making two dishes, one which I'll be cooking in our traditional way, and the other dish I'll just put a twist on it. So let's get into it, guys. First, I'll rinse my chicken feet under cold water. So there's something that I want to consider. You know, the chicken feet, they have the nails. So the way we do it back home, it depends on you whether you want to cut off the nails. But what I normally do, I just cook it. I'll transfer it to the pot. Add 1 cup of water. About 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. About hot chicken style seasoning. I like hot food. One teaspoon salt and about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then we cook for about 30 minutes. The lid on. So as they're cooking, you have to keep in them for even cooking. Put your lid back and let them go on for another 10 minutes. I'll be cutting off the nails. You must try this dish. Don't ever throw away the chicken feet. I have the paper towel lined on the strainer to make them dry. I need them dry because I'm going to be frying them. And those pepper flakes, salt, black pepper, rosemary, curry. It's gonna be so good. This is mild curry, guys, and I'm gonna mix them. It's gonna be good, so good. Curry is one of my favorite spices. I love curry. Here I have about 2 cups of oil. So what I will do, I will fry the chicken feet till they're brown. It's so good, smells good in here. over my chicken feet. That curry makes it, the whole house smells so good. My kitchen smells good because of the curry. I'm chopping up ginger. So I think my chicken feet are about to be ready. So we're gonna transfer everything to the pressure cooker. In here, I'll add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then I will add 1.5 teaspoons ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic, in goes Southwest blend vegetables, tomato paste. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. So we're gonna transfer this to a bowl. It smells so good in here, guys. I have slurries combination of cornstarch and water. So I'll put that in. Okay. This smells so good. Add 1 cup of water. Then I'll put the lid back and cook for 5 more minutes. Now our chicken feet are ready and serve the ultimate chicken feet. You must try these dishes, guys. Let me know how they turn out down below on the comment section. And I'm telling you, this is one of the delicacy dishes that you'll never want to miss. This is how the chicken feet traditional way came out. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like and share to your friends. As I promised you, I'll be posting more and more dishes from Botswana, and I hope you all enjoy them. Let me hear how your dishes turn out on the comments down below.